What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you see, we have Handyman Dan here.
Hey, I'm a handyman, I'm not a makeup artist, but today I'm gonna be one.
But today he's Candyman Dan because we have the new Colourpop Land collection. Colourpop collaborated with Hasbro, and instead of the Candyland, they made Colourpop Land, and it's honestly so cute, right?
Yeah, it's really cute. It's got princesses and cupcake guys and...
Yeah, so if you guys want to keep watching, you'll see how he did this amazing look. I'm actually really impressed. For someone, this is the first time ever doing makeup.
Ever.
On anybody.
Ever.
So I'm honestly really impressed.
I did...
Right?
First time.
I'm pretty impressed. So yeah, make sure you guys keep on watching and... Alright, so let's get started. So, I mean, you've done makeup like so many times, so I mean, I'm not even worried.
No, I haven't. Not even once.
He's never even done makeup once on anybody. So.
I put lipstick on myself poorly.
Okay.
And I didn't know you could fuck lipstick up, but you can.
Honestly.
And people say, oh, that's the hardest part, but I'm like, wait.
It's like, it's the number one, it's like, makeup definitely always came like natural to me, but lips is the thing that is still, it's not easy.
Well, people say that if you fuck up the lip, you gotta start over.
Well, kinda. I mean, you can conceal it.
Okay,
I just think this collection is so cool.
Is everything we need for a whole face in this box?
No, but I mean, I have everything, so.
Oh, okay. Well, no need to brag.
So I'm not sure how much do you want me to like actually help you?
I'm just gonna ask you what's step one, and then you tell me, and then and then maybe I'll be like, what where do I find that?
Okay.
Or like what brush or what
Yeah, okay.
How do I apply that like
totally
a lotion?
Genuine.
First of all, this is fucking cute. You know?
I know.
It's a game too.
Colourpop collaborated with Hasbro. If that's how you say it.
Does that come out?
And they made literally a Candyland, a Colourpop land. So that's like a puff highlighter. Look how cute, the candy castle.
It feels empty.
Palette. It's so cool. I don't know if you guys can see, I have a little bit of like a black light here, and it has like little
black light
moment.
Guys on it.
It's so cute, right? So let's see, this is the palette. I haven't even looked at it yet. Oh my god! Look how cute!
Oh, like this one, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna do it.
Wait, it's not. Yeah, swatch on me. Oh wow! Ooh.
This other time, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, I thought you like literally didn't, you were pretending.
No.
That looks hot.
Does it look great?
Look how pretty, it's like chocolate brown sparkles in it.
This is the next step, right?
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Just puff it in there. Puff, pass, bitch.
Oh wow. You went from gay to like raging homosexual.
So what do you want to do first? I prefer to do eyeshadow first, because then if you make a mess, you can clean it up.
Alright, what color should we go for? I think I'm gonna do a mint chocolate chip, which would be like green on the bottom, chocolatey syrup on top, right? Alright, are you ready?
Ready.
Oh.
Alright.
Ready? Close this eye. This one. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Pretty.
Oh my god. This is gonna be a really great video, you guys. I hope you're ready for this shit.
Do I cut? What do I do with, how do I make it sharp, you know? How am I making it sharp? Yeah, that is chocolate mint.
Oh wow.
That's a scoop.
It's so sparkly. Dying.
Alright.
Oh my god.
You ready for the other eye?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we do two flavors?
Definitely.
The other side has a totally
Also,
different
while
flavor.
he's doing that, I'm gonna open up the Princess Lolly.
What is that?
It's a roller gloss, like the classic roller glosses.
Oh my god, is it edible?
Well, yeah, it's a gloss.
Oh, right.
Go cute! It has like the roller ball on it. It's really yummy.
Is it?
Smell it? Try it. What flavor is it?
I can't guess. Should we guess? Don't look.
Okay. Cherry.
You were definitely reading the box.
No, I didn't read it. I really didn't. But
Did he read the box? Did he read the box?
I really did it.
I'm bad at this. I'm really bad at like the Starburst that have no flavor name.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not good at that.
I'm not either.
There's
But
no
it's nice
name.
when you read them too.
There's no name.
Does it say?
It's just Princess Lolly.
So there's the Princess Lolly gloss, and then there's also 3 different glowing lip balms.
Glowing?
Yeah, Mr. Mint, Let's Chill, and Peppermint Frost. That's so cute! Okay, that one has like a slight pink tint. This one is just, it's called Let's Chill. It's still kind of pinky. It just has a little bit of a darker pinky.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Turn.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. I got some a little too far up your eye, I think. Yeah, well, that's not coming off. That's just part of the costume
Okay.
now.
The costume. Okay, so what's next?
What's next, Nick? Do we do? I don't want to do eyeliner on you.
No, you don't do that.
Yeah, no thanks. That's gonna be.
Well, okay, let's play with the face milks, because I really love these things. This is from their sister brand, Fourth Ray Beauty. These face milk. So this is a coconut face milk.
This
one, that's amazing too. That's from the same brand.
The same brand, right?
Yeah. Papaya face milk.
Unlike you, I can read.
And watermelon face milk. Shut up. Oh! Oh my god, how'd you do that?
Just give it a little, you know. I've been excited.
Squirter. It's nice. They're actually really nice.
Can you feel? Can you feel the moisture?
Yeah, I can. Oh,
It's milky. It's milky.
oh yeah.
They definitely weren't lying.
And then you shoot the coconut in the middle.
Okay. You look younger already.
Right?
Your turn.
Alright, so I got my airbrush and I used 3.5 NW Birch. Yeah, so a little like rounded.
Like circles?
Yeah.
Like a toothbrush.
And so it shoots out in like pixels. So think like you're pixelating.
And it comes a little after you pull the trigger.
Oh, see, that's actually cool because you spray paint things, right?
And we do the whole face.
Yeah, just wherever you put foundation. Oh god. See how they're creating lines?
Great already. No, it doesn't.
Go a little further away and like be like
circly.
Yeah.
That was just my base coat, you know?
Oh yeah.
Not mad. Not mad.
Okay.
Let me see in the mirror. Oh, with this side.
Yeah.
This is the blender side.
And you don't drag. Yeah, you
dab.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, I know that much.
Yeah. So then they have 3 Super Shock blushes.
Super Shock, what's it called? Super Shock what?
Blush. So, but like you can use this as a
that's a-
highlighter. You can put it on your lid. What we do is, yeah, we would just kind of.
And we put, right, okay.
You can take it with the blender.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So we have gummy. Oh, it's a gummy worm. Gummy more. We have Gumdrop Pass, and then that one's called what? On the bottom. Jolly.
Jolly. Rosie. Oh.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oh my god, quit blushing so hard, Nick.
Just making me blush. I'll leave the link down below if anybody wants to check out the airbrush stuff as well. But bam.
Whoa.
And then we bronze.
Yeah, I'll bronze the shit out of you. Oh, don't turn. You fuck it up. You don't get a haircut and just look over there.
Sorry, Dad. Oh my god.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you're good.
Yeah, I think so. And highlight, hold on, don't tell me. It goes above the bronzer.
I mean, yeah.
Highlight's up there.
Yeah. So like, yeah, it's like.
No, yeah, that one definitely goes right here.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it goes all the way to the nose. Fine.
There. Oh yeah, I'm getting the hang of this. Yeah,
Right?
Even it out over here.
Yeah. Is that all that you're gonna do on the eyes? There's so many colors in there. So he's mixing Lord Licorice with Candy Crush. I will say the matte shadows are pretty dusty, like very dusty. But you know I love Colourpop and all this stuff. But and the shadows.
Yeah, we don't want dusty, do we? That's not
like,
the thing we want,
it's
is it?
It's extremely, yeah, they're
It
extremely
makes
dusty.
it hard to work with, right?
It is, and it makes it messy. There you go.
Spritz it.
Spritzeroo.
Ritz it.
Yeah.
And then ditz it. Ooh, that cherry on top of that sundae. Here,
Right,
turn all the way
exactly.
towards me. So, oh. And what I'm gonna do here, you ready? This is gonna be the razzle dazzle. Since it's so dusty, I'm gonna take advantage of the dust. So I'm gonna take the dust. I'm not gonna ash it yet. Close your eyes.
You're gonna spray it.
Close your eyes. No, lightly close. I'm gonna get the lid wet.
Great.
Then I'm gonna dust onto the lid. It didn't turn out how I imagined.
Damn it. Oh, I see it.
Yeah. Using the correct finger to use when you touch a lid. You don't touch eyes with anything but the gentlest finger. Oh, that's the technique.
Yeah, yeah. Do you want me to put it on?
I think I got it.
Yeah? Okay. Oh no, I'm scared.
So do we go up or down? Oh, glamour.
Yeah, right.
It's hard when, you know, like, you're looking not at me. Okay. I think that was the thing I did the best.
Yeah.
Maybe. Oh, those have length. What are those, 25 millimeter?
Right.
Do I have good lashes?
Yeah. Yeah, that's my only complaint, you guys. The mattes are very, very dusty. But it's really pretty, and the whole idea is like really obviously so cute.
What do you think?